Welcome to Customer Feedback Unplugged. I'm Estela Misso, Product Marketing Manager at NICE, and with me is Ed Carter, our Customer Success Director for Feedback Management. So Ed, how does feedback management empower agents and the contact center in general? Can you give us a specific example from one of your customers?
I'd like to talk about one of our large enterprise clients. It's a Fortune 100 company in the financial services industry that runs a contact center VOC program. That's their largest VOC program throughout their organization. Each agent has a dashboard where their survey responses are recorded so that they can easily see feedback that they've received on a daily basis and how they were perceived by their clients, specifically utilizing speech-to-text technology. Additionally, each supervisor has their own dashboard with their team's responses and each employee that rolls up to them so that they can see in real time how their team is performing and if there are any areas that need focus or attention or even immediate closed loop activities. A follow-up team has also been organized that has been focused on all open alerts, which facilitates the administration of the closed loop process, and specifically where closed loop actions can be reassigned.
What results have they seen since they implemented?
The financial services industry is a tough one for a lot of different reasons in terms of survey performance and what the customer experience looks like. And this particular client invests a lot of time and resources to ensure that they deliver a superior customer experience, and it shows. They are independently rated among the top in VOC benchmark studies as a top provider of the customer experience. Just last week, I was on a call with the senior vice president. He said something to the effect of, our survey performance and the results that your platform deliver to us each day and aggregated throughout the year are board level metrics. These are things that are reviewed by our CEO all the way down throughout levels of our leadership. So that just goes to show from the CEO down what the investment is in the technology that we provide, but more importantly, what they invest in the voice of their customer and how they use that voice to guide their business strategy and make improvements in the long term. And it shows with their agent performance, with their overall call-in rates that have reduced over the years, but most importantly, through their benchmark performance as they are leaders of the pack in delivering a superior customer experience.